Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Vortex Skimmer Basket is probably one of the most underrated pool accessories out there, but trust me, it's a game changer. If you're tired of constantly cleaning your pool and dealing with clogged skimmers, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Vortex Skimmer Basket, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for any pool owner looking to simplify their maintenance routine and enjoy crystal clear water all season long. Number 5. Intex Deluxe 800 GPH Automatic Pool Skimmer. Tired of debris in your pool? This Intex skimmer helps catch leaves and other unwanted items. It keeps your pool clean and inviting. This skimmer easily mounts to your easy set or metal frame pool. It attaches to your filter pump for automatic skimming. Made with durable polypropylene plastic, this skimmer is built to last. It's resistant to pool chemicals, and the strainer basket is easy to clean. For optimal performance, use it with an Intex filter pump. It requires a minimum flow rate of 800 gallons per hour for efficient operation. The strainer basket is easily removable for quick cleaning. It measures 8.25 inches long, 9.5 inches wide, and 13 inches high, and weighs 4.57 pounds. What we like. This wall-mounted skimmer easily attaches to your pool and filter pump. It's built with durable materials, ensuring it can handle pool chemicals. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to pool cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. The skimmer basket is a perfect fit and works great. This is a great replacement for the original skimmer basket. The basket is very well made and durable. Number 4. US Pool 5-foot Leaf Skimmer Net. Tired of leaves and debris in your pool? This net is perfect for quickly and easily cleaning up your pool, spa, or pond. It makes pool maintenance a breeze. This 5-foot net is lightweight yet durable, featuring a fine mesh netting bag. The aluminum pole comes in 4 sections for easy assembly and storage. It's designed to last. The ultrafine mesh netting bag captures even the smallest debris. This allows the skimmer to collect more at once, keeping the leaves inside while you maneuver it. The plastic frame is safe for all pool types and won't damage your pool liner. You can customize the length by removing pole sections, making it versatile for any pool. Backed by a trusted brand, this product ensures a hassle-free experience. We are dedicated to your satisfaction, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This net's ultrafine mesh captures even the smallest debris. The lightweight design and adjustable pole make it easy to maneuver. If you like a hands-on approach and want to quickly remove leaves and debris, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The skimmer basket is a perfect fit and works great. It is easy to install and remove. The product is exactly as described. Number 3. Coopache Pool Skimmer Socks, protects your pool. Are you tired of constantly cleaning your pool? These socks are designed to protect your pool's filter system. They help to keep your pool clean and running smoothly. These skimmer socks prevent damage to your pump and filter. By using these, you can extend the life of your pool equipment. It's a simple solution to a common problem. The nylon mesh effectively traps debris. It captures everything from leaves and bugs to dust and oil. This ensures cleaner water and less maintenance. Made from high-quality nylon and sturdy elastic. These socks are built to last and can be reused multiple times. They are a cost-effective choice for pool owners. Simply stretch the sock over your skimmer basket. The fabric fits perfectly, and the handle snaps back on easily. Replacing them is also a breeze. These socks fit any size or shaped skimmer basket. Please note that the skimmer basket itself is not included. Get yours today and enjoy a cleaner pool. What we like. These socks protect your pool's filter system from damage. They're easy to install and reusable, saving you money. If you want to extend the life of your pool equipment and reduce maintenance, you should consider these. What people say. The skimmer basket is a perfect fit and works great. This is a great replacement basket. It is easy to clean. Number 2. Betta SE Solar Pool Cleaner. This is the Betta SE, a solar-powered robotic pool cleaner. It automatically and continuously cleans your pool's surface. It removes debris like leaves and dust. The Betta SE operates entirely on solar power. It provides continuous cleaning for over 30 hours on a single charge. It even works on cloudy days. Recharging is quick. It only takes 5 to 6 hours in direct sunlight while cleaning. This ensures minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. It features patented twin salt chlorine tolerant motors. These power the propellers directly. This makes the system reliable and energy efficient. The large fine mesh debris basket is easy to clean. Simply dock the cleaner, open the cover, and empty the basket. You don't even need to remove it from the pool. The Betta SE is not suitable for round pools under 14 feet. If circling occurs, restart the unit. If the issue persists, contact Betta customer support for assistance. What we like. This robotic skimmer runs entirely on solar power, providing continuous cleaning. It features twin salt chlorine tolerant motors for efficient performance. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and automated solution for surface cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say. This works. Battery life has been superb. The charge capacity is 1,000 times better. Ours is cleaning the pool practically 24 hours a day. Seriously, it cleans throughout the night. I was in the yard to get the newspaper at 6 a.m. and happened to glance at the pool and it was working, doing its thing. How can that be, I thought to myself, as the sun isn't even out. Then I happened to peek out the window one night around 2 a.m. and the running lights were happily strolling around the pool. Ariel, on the other hand, could never last more than 8 to 10 hours even in our hot tropical climate. Number 1. U.S. Pool Supply Skimmer Replacement Basket, set of 2. This is the U.S. Pool Supply Skimmer Replacement Basket. It's designed to keep your pool clean and clear. This will make your pool maintenance much easier. The basket fits many pool skimmers. Before purchasing, please verify the dimensions to ensure a proper fit. It's easy to install and replace. The basket measures 8 inches across the top, 5.5 inches at the bottom, and is 5 inches deep. The bottom is not weighted. Made from chlorine-resistant plastic mesh, this basket is built to last. It can withstand the harsh chemicals found in pools. This basket is ideal for daily use, quickly and efficiently removing leaves and debris. It captures debris before it clogs your pump and filters. U.S. Pool Supply provides affordable pool cleaning solutions. This empowers you to easily care for your pool, saving you money on service technicians. What we like. This replacement basket is made of durable plastic mesh. It's designed for easy debris removal, keeping your pool clean. If you have a damaged skimmer basket or want a spare, it's a practical and cost-effective solution. What people say. When I opened the box, the material is surprisingly thick and solid and the basket is sturdy. Fit as advertised. They work perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.